Hello friends, my name is Agastya. Today I have made a robotic arm in Robofun Lab in Ahmedabad. The components I used are beams, different beams, axles, battery, motor, gear system, and etc. Let me tell you how it works. When we on the battery, the motor gets on and helps the gear system to spin, and then my robotic arm moves up and down. Let me show you a demo. Okay. Now let me tell you some uses of the robotic arm. It helps us to lift nuclear materials and hazardous chemicals and heavy loads. Thank you.